Hello children, Sairam. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Let's continue with the same chapter, chapter number 8, our festivals. In previous class, we have learned about the national days that we all celebrate. In today's class, we will learn about the religious festivals. Now children, what do you understand by religious festivals? Yes, what is religious festivals? Religious festivals are celebrated throughout the country. People belonging to different religions have their own special festivals. Followed children? Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. We all know that it is called the festival of lights, right? On this day, people decorate their houses with diyas, lights, and candles. You can see it in the image, right? They have decorated their house with the diyas. You can see diyas and lights. Yes, children, try to understand the picture. You can see beautiful rangoli. Yes. Then you can see firecrackers and you can also see the image of goddess Lakshmi. So on this day, on Diwali, many people burst firecrackers. Floor patterns called rangoli are made. You can see in the picture beautiful rangoli, right? Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped. Followed? On Diwali, people also wear new clothes and eat special food and sweets. Your mother also must be making special food and sweets, right? Now people visit friends and relatives to greet them and give gifts. You can see in the picture, right? People visits their friends and relatives to greet them, to wish them and to give them gifts. Diwali signals the onset of winter in North India. Onset means the beginning, okay? It signals it is the sign of the beginning of winter in North India. Holi, yes, Holi is also one of the religious festivals. Holi is called the festival of colors. It is celebrated mainly in North India. People throw colored powder called gulal on each other. Here in the image you can see, okay, they are playing with gulal. Holi signals the end of winter and is the time when the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. Followed, the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. Now, just now I told you that Diwali signals the beginning of winter. Holi is just the opposite. Holi signals the end of winter. Followed children, it signals the end of winter. Let's learn about Dashera. Dashera celebrates the victory of good over evil. Evil means bad. It is believed that on this day the god Rama killed Ravana, the 10-headed demon king. In the first picture you can see God Rama, Ramachandra and a demon called Ravana with his 10 heads. Okay, 10-headed demon king Ravana. Ram Leela, a dance drama depicted the story of Rama's life, is staged. On the day of Dashera, in many places people do Ramlila. Ramlila means a dance drama. In West Bengal and some other states, mostly in the eastern part of India, Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. Let's learn about Guru Purab. Guru Purab means the festival of Guru. Huge processions are taken out in towns and cities. The Sikhs go to Gurudwaras to offer prayers. Langars are held where free meals are given to all. In the second picture, you can see the people are eating together, right? Community eating, which is called langars. Okay, so langars are held in gurudwaras. So langars are held where free meals are given to all. The holy book of the Sikhs, called Guru Granth Sahib, is read on this day, on Guru Purab. You can see a holy book on the picture, the holy book of Sikhs called Guru Granth Sahib. What is the name? Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. There is a big celebration in Golden Temple at Amritsar. On Guru Purab, there is a big celebration in Golden Temple at Amritsar. Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of a month-long period of fasting called Ramzan. Followed, it is also called the festival of breaking fast. Okay, they go for fasting for 1 month, and the day when they break the fast after 1 month, it is called as Ramzan. On the day of Eid ul Fitr, prayers or namaz is offered at mosque. People wear new clothes. You can see here. Okay, you can see many people, they are offering namaz at the mosque. Mosque is the place of worship. Okay, the Muslim people, they go to mosque to worship. People wear new clothes. They embrace and wish each other by saying Eid Mubarak. It is written in Hindi. See, Eid Mubarak. Both the friends are embracing each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Special sweet dish called Sevai is prepared. You can see in the picture, this is the special sweet dish which is prepared on this day. Money and clothes are donated to the poor. Try to understand, try to view the picture, the last picture. Here you can see a person is donating something to the poor. In this way, the people who belongs to Muslim community, they celebrate Eid ul Fitr not only in India but all across the world. Now Christmas is also one of the religious festival. It is the festival for the people who belongs to Christian community, who follow Christian religion. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birthday of Jesus Christ. See, try to understand the picture images. In first image you can see church, and in the second image you can see inside the church people are praying. On 24th December midnight, special prayers take place in churches. This way they celebrate Christmas. On Christmas, people decorate Christmas trees. You can see how nicely it is decorated. Okay, Christmas trees are decorated and plum cakes are baked. Plum cake is very special. Okay, it is the sweet dish which is baked on Christmas. Plum cakes are baked. Children love to receive gifts from Santa Claus. In the third picture, you can see the children are so happy, right? They are so happy to receive gift from Santa Claus. Navroz is the festival of Parsi people. Navroz means Parsi New Year. It is celebrated on March 21, marking the end of winter and beginning of spring. So children, we have reached to the end of this session. In this session, we have learnt about religious festivals, right? Religious festivals are celebrated throughout the country. People belonging to different religions have their own special festivals. In the next class, we will learn about harvest festivals and birthdays of important people. Till then, take care. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. Sai Ram.